Brad Biznett from Cole Publishing here, and John from EPL Solutions. John, we're talking nozzles right now. What do we have going on here?
So I have a jetting background.
Okay.
And started playing with smaller jetters, cart jetters. I like the Jetters Northwest brute jetters at 9 to 4, but never felt that they had the power or performance of the big jetters.
Okay.
But they're really popular in my area. So we started investigating and looking at other nozzles.
All right.
And the Warthog nozzle, traditionally, great nozzle, does a lot of cutting, and we know it works. It's been out in the industry for a really, really long time, but we asked the question, what else is out there? Is there something equal, better, smaller, bigger? What other options are there?
Yeah, sure, fair enough.
So we were working with ENZ, and we discovered the Bulldog nozzle.
The Bulldog, okay.
Now we made some changes to it, and we call it the MadDog, because it's pissed off, it's angry, it's got a big bark, big bite.
I was gonna say Bulldogs are tough, but now it's a Mad Dog.
It's a mad bulldog. It's angry. So what is the difference? So for the show, we were trying to come up with something to show something
Okay, so
real.
this is what I've got.
This is channel cutting.
All right.
And you can kind of see how deep we're cutting.
Sure.
And it's a 30-second cut. But when we did this, we took the wood and we put it in the pipe so it's kind of V-shaped.
All right.
And we spent a couple days trying to come up with a test that was real and consistent. So this is a 30-second cut in a 4-inch piece of pipe. The nozzle's on top, and from start to finish, it's 30 seconds. And we have tape marks on the hose. We're just pulling it back a distance about this far.
Okay.
We do the MadDog. That's what we came up with.
Wow, look at that. Yeah.
And that was every single time. This is the best we got with the Warthog. And we also did different woods. And we found that the pine gave us a consistent result.
Okay.
Every single time for both of them.
And down in a pipe, you're going to see all different kinds of material.
You're not going to have wood. Your reality, we know you're not cutting the wood.
Yeah.
We're just trying to show how powerful the jet is.
Okay.
The other cool thing that you're going to see in our YouTube video is when we're making this cut, you can see the Warthog nozzle on the top bouncing around inside the pipe, making this cut.
Sure.
The MadDog nozzle is floating on the top, and all of a sudden it disappears in the channel. And it did that in about 8 to 10 seconds.
Okay.
Really surprised me. Every time we do more testing with the MadDog nozzle, I'm just more intrigued about it.
Sure.
The other cool thing that we have with these nozzles is the Warthog nozzle requires maintenance. You have to put a viscosity fluid to get the nozzle to spin at an even rotation of about 400 RPMs.
All right.
What ENZ did with the Bulldog is they've got magnets inside that cause the resistance, but this nozzle spins 1200 RPMs. So I have 800 cuts a minute on this because I have 2 rear jets, but I get 2400 cuts a minute on this one nozzle.
And less maintenance.
No maintenance.
No maintenance.
No maintenance.
When I say less, I mean no maintenance.
No maintenance. Okay. And we're also finding, because we've been doing these now for a couple of years, these on average will last about 3 times longer than these.
Oh, wow.
So as good as this nozzle is, I think we found something better.
Where can somebody go for more information?
Well, go to EPLS-USA.com or call 714-453-9760.
Excellent. Thanks for telling me about MadDog.
Thanks, Brad.